Right on cue, skewers with this view. Let's make my sweet and sticky pork and pineapple skewers. These skewers are ready. Let's get them sizzling. So good. Yum. Extra sticky. Yum.